you can learn some of the soft skills, or take a business course, take a communications course. There's a lot those items are still going to help you as a data scientist. Maybe you can swap out like a Python course for a communication course, right? Like, you can learn Python on your own, but it's really hard to learn communication on your own, right? So maybe you want to consider doing some swapping like that, where you're building your soft skills, not necessarily all of your technical skills, right? Because, there's a lot of talking, a lot of meetings, a lot of planning, a lot of strategy that goes into data science that you're just not going to learn in school. But it's super critical, not just for like your first year, but more for your career growth, right? If you're a data scientist, even if like you're in your second, your third or fourth year, right, you're a legitimate data scientist, there's going to be a ceiling to your progress if you don't have proper communication skills, right? There's going to be a limit to how far you can go in your career until you do that. So start preparing now, right? Maybe, like I said, maybe you want to swap out a Python course or a database course for a communications course, right? You can learn the other stuff on your own, but communication is a lot harder. You kind of need the guidance of a professor for that, right?